Okay guys, before this video starts, I want to say Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers that do not watch me. But on this day, everybody go tell your mother you love them and thank you for being born. And I hope that you guys like this video because it was pretty hard to film, and it was fun. It was fun to film. So, just want to say Happy Mother's Day, and yeah, I'm gonna go. So, I'm tired. I'm still waiting for my mom to get home. So, she had to work today. So, bye guys. I'm not ready for this at all. My phone was really annoying me. Okay. Hey, what's up you guys? Nicole here. And today you're probably like, Nicole, why are you not excited about this video? Why is your title like that? And probably wondering, cool, why do you have makeup remover with you right here? Well, today, and a timer. Today, I'm going to be doing the strip down challenge. If you guys do not know what that is, it's where you have 10 minutes on a timer, and technically, if you're a girl, you can't have any makeup on, and have timer 10 minutes. No editing is allowed after you start the timer for 10 minutes. So you guys are going to hear my constant stuttering and like long pauses that sometimes I get rid of. You guys are going to be hearing all that, and I did not take off my makeup yet. I want to do that on camera. And technically, I'm supposed to have like my bed clothes I think on, like something comfortable. And honestly, I'm comfortable in this. So, I gotta make a plate. So I'm just gonna. Oh, I got two. I'm gonna fast forward through this, but I just want you guys to know that I am taking off my makeup. And God. Okay. Well, I gotta get off this. Like, yeah, I'm gonna speed through that, or I'm just gonna skip off this part. What do you guys? Okay, guys, it's off. You guys want proof since I skipped over it? Here's my whip. I'm just going to set it here for now because I will throw that away later. Alright, as soon as I put on my glasses, I'll start 10 minutes. And I know I look terrible without makeup on. So, 3, 2, 1. Alright, 10 minutes has started. Okay, so I really came into this video with... I decided to film this video for no freaking reason. It's just, I don't know what to talk about. It's because you come into this video with no plans, and you come into this video bare, and I don't know what to say. I guess I could tell you guys about me. So if you guys do not know, my full name is Nicole Sparks. I'm probably going to be really awkward right now, and I already look really bad, so add awkwardness onto it. Yay me! I'm a fangirl, if you guys have not known that, when I stick up for my favorite people, I get hated on. And it doesn't matter to me. Guys, I'm gonna turn this off. Like, the clock's still on, but I'm just shutting that off. I don't know. And I don't know, I'm 12 years old. My favorite color is blue. I live in Ohio. I'm not saying what town because, you know. My best friend's Abby. I have a channel with her. I'm weird. I'm crazy. I'm nuts. In general, I'm just weird and crazy and ugly and yeah. Guys, I don't know. I'm sorry I've been filming really long videos for like the past 2 days. I've been filming like these. I can't even edit that out. See, guys, I'm really embarrassing, and that's really embarrassing, and that's really gross, and I'm really gross, and I'm so embarrassed. Like, right now, I don't even want to post videos. Like, I can't even edit this. Like, I'm in my head, I'm thinking of all these types of funny captions, like, oh my gosh, what is that? Like, to my stomach growling, because I'm hungry. What time is it? No, 10. It's 10 o'clock. Skipped over lunch. Had dinner. I was like 6. I'm starving. So, and I can't even add the captions, so. Back to the fangirling. At school, most people, don't like the people that I fangirl over. I have Jay Sartorius as my phone lock screen. People don't like him, say he looks like an elf. Somebody told me straight to my face he's not gonna sing. We are not friends anymore. Yeah, no. What makes me really mad is that people judge people when they haven't even met them. I would understand if you knew his life story, but you don't. You only know what you see of him on the internet. And you're just wasting your time on him. If you don't like him, then get off his page. This is what I do not understand about haters. Because they go on to these kids' pages, more than likely they're like 40 years old. They go on to these kids' pages, like Rice Gum. Rice Gum, for example. Rice Gum's not 30, but say him for example. Okay, his videos are funny. They're cool. He's a cool guy. But then again, he would be even more cooler if he didn't like friggin' roast my favorite people, because he wouldn't be on YouTube if it wasn't for like them. If it wasn't for them, they didn't give him a reaction, then he would stop. But no, they have to like talk to him, and they have to influence him to make a roast about them. It makes me so mad when I go into like their Instagram posts and I see hate. It makes me so mad. Like that. Like, hold on, I can show you. Crap. I can't, but I would. Hold on. Here's a photo of one of the guys who commented on my Instagram. On my Instagram photo. And I was defending Jacob from him. Because I forget what he called him. But then I also stick up for my fellow fangirls. I stick up for people. I'm not the other person on the other side. Okay, even if I do not like someone, I will not hate on them. I will not go onto their posts and I will not say bad stuff about them. Because that makes you feel bad. And I do not like making people feel bad about themselves. Because that makes me feel bad. It makes me feel like a terrible person. Now, if you can go onto people's pages and hate without feeling bad, you have no heart. No freaking heart. Because how would you like it if somebody went onto your page and called you gay, homo, F-boy? Unless you're a girl, then. Ugly, fat, you look like an elf, you have nothing to show, no muscles. I swear, people these days just... People are so mean these days. You know, and like, is it... I don't understand. Like, I like to do my makeup. Makeup is, like, fun. But I don't wear a lot. And, like, I'm also another topic. But, like, society won't let you like wearing your makeup. And if you do, then you're classified as... Insert your own word. And I know in some of my musicals, like, I wear these tops and these shorts, and I try really hard. Because I want to be like other girls. Because other girls wear those types of stuff. Like, they wear the regular, like, shorts, and then they're wearing, like, crop top. I want to be like those girls. I want to be skinny like those girls. I want to be pretty. And makeup makes me feel pretty. I don't wear makeup to impress other people. I wear makeup to feel pretty. And then there's my stick. I don't know what else to say. I can't even edit this. But other than my intro and the pause of me taking my makeup off, that's all there is editing. And I have no makeup on. I'm bare. I'll probably end up filming this like 20 more times. Maybe. On a regular day, I'd edit that out. But I'm going to keep this one. I'm not going to delete it. But that's why my video what's my timer? That's why my video was up on Friday, not Sunday. Because I wanted to film this one before I forgot about it. But anyways, that was my timer, so I can stop. But that's all the editing that was in my video, as I said before. And you guys can hear all my long pauses. I didn't stutter in this video, I don't think so. But you guys learn about me. And I just want to say that I'm not perfect. Nobody is. So yeah, I hope that you guys like this video. Give it a big thumbs up. And comment down below if you're going to do the strip down challenge. Because other than having no makeup, it's pretty fun. Me and Abby are going to have to do this on our channel. And I don't think that I can edit that out. So, anyways, this video is almost 15 minutes long. I'm going to try to make shorter videos now. Like 8, limit down to 10 minutes. But I like making videos. It like gives me an excuse to stay upstairs. But, and that's being edited out. No, it's not. I'm not editing. But, I'm gonna go before I embarrass myself, or my stomach will embarrass myself. Bye, guys.